ePortfolios enable students to keep a catalog of their work in multiple classes over time. ePortfolio templates enable a school or district to standardize the structure for those student portfolios. This tutorial will talk you through how to set up ePortfolio templates. Your school's Haiku LMS administrator will need to specify which users can manage ePortfolio templates. Currently in this system, I'm logged in as Renee, and I'm set up as a manager. I know that because when I go to the ePortfolios option, I have two values. I have my ePortfolio, and then I have the option to manage my school's template. I'm ready to manage my template, so I go ahead and click that option. When I first arrive at the page, I can see that this looks very much like any kind of page inside of my Haiku class. In fact, it looks very much like the front page of my Haiku class. We can see in the left-hand column there are different pages, and then on the right side of the page we have a large area where we can place content blocks. My particular school structures their ePortfolios so that there is a page for each subject. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. We'll start by going to the first page and renaming this. And I'm going to go ahead and make this a page for language arts. Save that. I'll take this new page and I'm going to make this one for math. Save. And now I can create additional pages as well. We'll go ahead and create one more for the tutorial, and let's make that for history. And just like the pages structure within the My Haiku class, I have the option of making my new page a subpage of any other page that I've already created. For now, I'll leave history at the top level. And that looks good to me, so I will click the Save button. And just for good measure, let's go ahead and create another page inside of math, specifically for algebra. And this will just show you an example of what a subpage will look like. So I choose subpage of math. And I can see in the preview pane what my list is going to look like. This looks good to me with algebra displaying beneath math. So I'm ready to click the Save button. At this point, if I wanted to put standard text on a page so that students had instructions or other details, I could do that by adding a content block. So to do that, just like within a page in my Haiku class, I would click Add Content Block. And here I have very similar options to what I'd have if I'm setting up an actual class website. For this tutorial, we won't walk through those steps since you've likely seen that elsewhere. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel. Just like standard pages in my Haiku class, if a page isn't published within the ePortfolio template, I can do that from this button here. Any pages that aren't published aren't actually visible to students, so you can be setting up your ePortfolio templates and unrolling pieces as they're available, as you have them ready for students, and not unleashing everything at once. Now I'm logged in as a student, and we can see that only the template items that the manager set up and published are what's visible. So we can see language arts and we can see math. And that's really all there is to it to ePortfolio templates.